Hello, let's learn punctuation. Punctuation is a system of using suitable punctuation marks. What are punctuation marks? Let's find out. Punctuation marks are different signs like full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. In this video, we would be focusing on capital letters and full stops. When to use capital letters? Sometimes I get confused that should I use this capital N or that small n. But the answer is really simple. So dear students, don't get confused. Capital letters and full stops are used while writing sentences. Keep in mind that a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So don't be confused and just remember that a sentence always starts with a capital letter. It is raining. In this sentence, the first letter I is capital and there is a full stop at the end. Let's take another example. There are flowers in the garden. The first letter T is capitalized. And we have used a full stop at the end. Simple. Full stops are also used to mark an abbreviation. And what are abbreviations? Abbreviations are shortened words. Some abbreviations are written with full stops at the end. Let's see. We often use full stops after initials. Initials are people's reduced names. For example, William Edward Hickson is a complete name and the initial would be W full stop or .E. Hickson. Then small letter abbreviation also use full stops. We can write adverb in small letters with a full stop like ADV and full stop. Abbreviations used for countries, organizations are written completely capitalized. WHO, it's an abbreviation of World Health Organization. USA, United States of America. So, abbreviations of countries and organizations are used in capital letters. Then, proper nouns like the names of people, places, countries, days of the week, months of the year are also written with capital letters. I play Roblox on Saturday. Saturday is written with capital S as it's the day of the week. My cousins Sameer and Taimur live in Pakistan. S and T of the names of the people and P of Pakistan is capitalized because it's the name of a country. Hope you understand the use of capital letters and full stops. Thank you for watching. See you next time.